Tired of foggy mirrors and cluttered counters turning your morning routine into a hassle? Imagine stepping into a brightly lit, organized bathroom that feels like a high-end spa every day. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 LED medicine cabinets that fuse stunning design with smart features to solve those everyday bathroom woes. These aren't just storage units, they're game changers with customizable lighting, defoggers, and outlets that make grooming effortless and efficient. If you're renovating or just want to level up your space, stick around to see how these picks can brighten your life, save energy, and keep everything tidy. Let's kick things off with our top pick. Number 1. The Krugg LED Medicine Cabinet, a massive 72 by 36 inches that's perfect for larger bathrooms needing that wow factor. This silver beauty from Krugg isn't just a cabinet, it's a symphony of luxury and practicality as the brand describes it. Picture this, a striking LED border that glows modern from afar, while up close, it delivers unparalleled light dispersion for flawless makeup or shaving. The 5000K daylight color temperature offers great contrast, mimicking what makeup artists use for natural looks. Touch the integrated icon for seamless on-off toggling, dimming with memory so it remembers your favorite setting. No fumbling in the dark. Inside, you'll find a 3 times magnified LED lit mirror for detailed work, automatic interior illumination, wide-angle hinges for easy access, and a 2+2 smart outlet with USB ports to charge your devices right there. Active defogging keeps the mirror crystal clear post-shower, powered by a safe heating coil. At 11,160 lumens and just 55 watts, it's energy efficient too, conforming to UL and CSA standards for safety. On the flip side, its larger size and 4.75-inch depth mean it demands solid wall space and possibly professional installation to handle the weight, which could be a challenge in tighter setups. Number 2. Moving to the HBEZON Medicine Cabinet with LED lights and mirror, a sleek 60 by 32 inches in silver that's all about versatility and smart touches. This modern aluminum and tempered glass powerhouse from HBEZON packs 6,000 lumens of high-brightness LED strips with 3 color modes, warm, natural, and cool white, for that just right ambiance during makeup or grooming. Stepless dimming from 0 to 100% lets you dial in the perfect brightness, and the memory function recalls your last setting, saving time every morning. The built-in defogger kicks in to keep your reflections steam-free, even in humid conditions, while soft-close DTC hinges ensure quiet, rust-proof operation. Inside, adjustable shelves maximize space for toiletries, keeping everything dust-free and organized without hogging countertop real estate. Plus, integrated outlets and USB ports make charging your toothbrush or phone a breeze. Installation is flexible, recessed for a seamless look, or surface-mounted with detachable panels for easy setup. Customers love its durable frame that withstands bathroom humidity.
Number 3. Next up, the TokeShimi 48 by 32 lighted medicine cabinet, a front-lit wonder in a clean, modern style that's ideal for mid-sized spaces craving enhanced brightness. TokeShimi doubles down on illumination with high-performance 2-in-1 LED strips and a wider diffuser, delivering even, twice as brilliant light both outside and inside the cabinet. The double-sided mirrors mean you can grab items without closing the door, sharing the same 3-color dimmable settings, warm, natural, or cool, for personalized grooming. Touch buttons handle everything, with memory to restart at your preferred level. Adjustable tempered glass shelves offer flexible storage, while the glassy interior adds a luxurious, spacious vibe. Built-in outlets and USB ports on top keep devices charged conveniently, and soft-close hinges with door bumpers make opening smooth and quiet. Anti-fog tech ensures clarity, and the aluminum construction complements any decor. It's a lifesaver for busy households, providing bright, shadow-free light that makes daily tasks quicker and more enjoyable, plus ample room for essentials to declutter your vanity. That said, its weight from all that glass requires sturdy mounting, and a few users mention black spots over time on edges, though resolved swiftly. If you want a cabinet that feels like a high-end upgrade without overwhelming your wall, this one helps you see and organize better than ever. Number 4. Now the Buruis 60 by 32 medicine cabinet with lights and mirrors, a silver stunner weighing in at 107 pounds for robust build quality. Buruis shines with 3 color temperatures: 3000K warm, 4000K natural, 6000K cool, and stepless dimming from 10 to 100%, all with memory to hold your settings. The wider, full-view LED mirror expands visibility, banishing shadows for precise routines, while the 4mm high-definition eco-friendly glass stays fog-free via built-in anti-fog tech. Adjustable shelves handle all your supplies, and GFCI-protected outlets with USB add charging convenience. ETL listed for safety, it's hardwired ready and offers recessed or wall mount options with included hardware, noting how it visually enlarges bathrooms and simplifies storage. This cabinet is essential if steamy mirrors frustrate you or cluttered counters stress you out. It clears the fog literally and figuratively, saving energy and time with its durable aluminum frame that resists fading and humidity. On the downside, its heavier weight calls for pro installation to avoid mishaps, and the investment might feel steep for smaller budgets, though the long-term reliability justifies it. Number 5. Rounding out our list, the imgflx 60x32 LED mirror with medicine cabinet, a rectangular aluminum-framed gem that's all about seamless integration and durability. imgflx impresses with integrated energy-efficient LEDs for natural illumination, touch sensor dimming for customizable brightness, and a built-in defogger to eliminate post-shower fog. Behind the mirror doors, adjustable shelves provide clutter-free storage for toiletries, while outlets and USB ports keep gadgets powered. The frameless minimalist design fits modern to luxury styles with water-resistant build to handle humidity. Hardwired or plug-in installation makes it versatile for recessed or surface mounting with included hardware. Users give it 4.4 stars for its reliable performance and modern appeal, noting how it visually enlarges bathrooms and simplifies storage. This cabinet is essential if steamy mirrors ruin your prep time or lack of outlets leave devices uncharged. It clears the fog literally and figuratively, saving energy and time with its durable aluminum frame that resists fading and humidity. On the downside, its spacious interior might feel overwhelming in tiny baths without careful planning. Still, it's a reliable pick for that elegant, functional boost. There you have it, the top 5 LED medicine cabinets that can turn any bathroom from chaotic to chic. Each one tackles common pain points like poor lighting, fog, and disorganization, helping you reclaim your space and routine. Consider your bathroom size, installation needs, and must-have features when choosing. Whichever you go with, you're investing in convenience that pays off daily. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment on which one caught your eye and subscribe for more home upgrade tips.